Machine! Yeah peeps, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do something a bit different. I do a feature with Shero trucking services garage. Showing a little bit of operations and what's going on in mobile. Yeah, so this is a machine where engine are going on. Also I have a little crane thing put in the engine. This is a machine where it going on. International Prostar. Nice machine. I will find out a couple of trucks that they sell, like the Prostar. A red national, but it's a blue one. This Western Star and a Freightliner. But look more walk around and do a more in-depth look on the truck them. You can see what I'm going. Oh yeah, Shero trucking services garage. This is where it all happens, you know? Performance, parts, any parts you want. Buy and sell truck from overseas. You name it, them do it. Like this coming for a little service checkup or probably a tune up or something, you know. And the video yesterday, I'm not sure when this go up still, but I do a video yesterday. I'm sure when just do a little preview on engine. I don't know if you don't remember how that looked, but I will drop in that video too. Yeah, before and after, guys. Yesterday, when me there, the man them a chisel off rust for the engine block. So I have them there, they work on a project. Right now, as you can see, fully painted. Look like brand new again. See the original Detroit diesel 60 series blue. You see me? Official thing. No, and this is not primer or nothing like that. This is official. As I mean, show you that. So, original Detroit diesel blue 60 series, as a matter of fact. 14 litre. This is a 14 litre engine. When I talk about cat killer, see real cat killer, yeah. And a 12.7. 12.7 can tune on yet, but this is a real cat killer. 14 litre, 60 series. See it pretty? Yeah man. Don't run with this. Yeah, always hear me talk say cat on my engine. Well, this is one of my next favorite engine them. One of probably second favorite engine I've ever built. You understand? And we can tell you this is a real cat killer. Yeah peeps, so yesterday I do a feature on a MACK. Never actually do no narrative to it, like telling you nothing about it. But I give you a little details about it today. I really missed him. I will make Shero manager or one of the managers here, person head of operations, make she explain and then get a new ECM or ECU, one out of the two, I don't remember, put in a truck. So I'm gonna make sure you are in depth some details into what them are gonna do to it, what are some of the changes that were made, stuff like that, because this is a new generation MACK engine. So you don't know with all of them new shit that were US that come with DMF system and all them something and then delete all of that. So I'm gonna make she go know more detail. Walk around, you'll know what is what. Other side of the engine. MP8. I can see bigger MACK up or something. So yeah, whenever them I go deal with it, I go make sure you know go run through what is what. Some of the changes, surfaces that are offered for these types of trucks. So anybody out there actually own one of them MACK GRANITE and they look for do some tune up or any changes, link them up. Links are going in the description, or the Facebook page, Instagram. I'm going to leave their number in the description also, so you can link them up for whatever parts, services, tune up, buy and sell from overseas, whatever you want. Just link up and them can deal with it for you. So I'm going to make sure you go into the details about it from this still, but I'm just going on a preview. Just a little preview. Next truck they have a work on, so, and not just American trucks. So because this I wouldn't say it's a European truck, but most people say English truck, whatever the case be. Then I just work on American trucks. And then do tune up on ECM and all them kind of things they feel. Europe, American, Chinese, you name it. So for any services you're not interested in getting done, yeah man, just link them up. You know, go get the lift up and going on now. Big dog tripe are going on the belly, you know. responders.
No, I say I push it and I cut it. Come down here. And then I push it.
Hold on, you're responding for it. Hot gone in a monster, isn't it? Hey, me General. Introduce yourself to the people and make the people know what is what. Yeah. Original veteran in our business, make you know that from now. Or this is man original veteran in our business. I'm gonna make you introduce himself, tell you a little bit about what go on and so. And what is what. Boss.
Yeah man, I do an engine transplant, you know. Take out the max force and put in a D-child.
Yeah.
So them there they set up the MACK up the mountain and thing to get going.
Yeah man. I mean, you know say I man behind the operations who them are deal with.
Yeah man, anxious, you know.
Well,
yeah.
This is a man in charge of operations, Shero trucking services. Majority of the time I don't call, and I really go out, but this is a main man behind the scenes, you see me? He make it happen. As you can see, original teacher. Yeah peeps, so this is what are the operations managers here are, persons behind the scenes and make things happen. I'm going to make sure you introduce ourselves, tell you a little bit about the services what they offer, specifically to this truck. So, introduce.
Hi, Shireen here, co-partner for Shero Trucking Services. We're in Falmouth, just off the highway. This is a MACK MP8 engine. Right now we just got a brand new ECM, which we just put on, and we're trying to reprogram it basically to match the configuration for the original truck settings, and then to do a EGR and a DPF delete on it as well. So we're in the process of doing that. That is done on the computer, so if you want to just take a little walk with me. So this is what we use to do the diagnostics and programming for MACK.
Okay.
We use a tech tool program, and that is what does all the diagnostics and reprogramming for MACK and Volvo.
Okay.
So that is basically that for this.
Yeah, this truck.
For this particular truck.
And you do offer services for other types of truck as well, right?
Yes, we do. We do international Cummins. We do Penword like Packard engine.
Yeah.
We do.
See, I have some Max Force around this one.
It's actually a MAN truck. It's a European.
Yeah, as I mentioned showed before, guys, they don't only do Euro, US trucks. They do Euro, Chinese as well.
Right. If you want to take a little walk, we have an international Max Force engine.
Yeah, I did see one of them, I think.
The Prostar over there.
Which that one is for sale, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
this one was just sold. This was sold already.
I do. Yeah. As well, talk about that. Do me a favor. Point out the trucks that are actually for sale right now.
Right now.
Are just a few. Yeah.
That one is for sale, but we have a few little assembly stuff to do. It just came down from New Jersey, so we just ship it down. So we're in the process of assembling it. So we're putting back the parts together.
Okay.
To put it for sale. So it's not complete, but it's an international 9900. I'm not sure what engine my husband planned on putting in it, but I think it's a Cummins engine.
Alright. So just to say, for instance, somebody's interested, but they'd want a specific engine in there.
We can do conversion. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not sure what he's putting in. So we can do from a Cummins conversion to a Detroit. We've done that for one of our clients in Kingston.
Okay.
We had a international Prostar with a Max Force engine, and we did a conversion from a Max Force to a Detroit 14 liter.
Okay.
And he's running great. He works for IGL. Well, he hauls gas for IGL.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. But we have engines available. There's a couple over here underneath that blue
Yeah.
So we have Detroit, we have Cummins, we have M11, and we have L10 available. We also have another shipment coming down shortly from Jersey. So we have a couple trucks in those as well. I believe it's international 9200, all three of them.
Okay.
They'll be international 9200. So look out for that. That's coming soon. So if you're interested in that, please give us a call. Link us on Facebook. We're on Instagram at Shero Trucking. Instagram, Facebook. I don't have Twitter, sorry.
Well, yeah, peeps. So I'm gonna leave all the links in the description, so you can give them a link and let them know if you want any services done to your trucks or if you want any parts.
We rent the Pro Tool for anybody interested in if your truck breaks down on the highway anywhere.
Yeah.
If you have a truck that you can put it on, we do rentals for that as well. So you just have to call us to get details.
Alright. Well, thank you, Miss Shero. Thank you for sharing. Until next time.